are going to make a very instant, quick, easy and delicious recipe for main course. It is the mixed vegetable. If you like the recipe, then please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to the channel, then please subscribe the channel. Let's start. Heat a generous amount of oil. Add 1 cup of carrots cut in cubes. We are going to fry it for 1 to 2 minutes. Now we are going to add 1 cup of pointed gourd or purple. Fry it for another 2 minutes. Then we are going to add our other vegetables. Now add 1 cup of potatoes, 1 cup of French beans, 1 cup of cauliflower florets. Fry these vegetables for 2 to 3 minutes. Our vegetables are almost done. Now add 1 cup of frozen peas. We are going to fry our vegetables for few more minutes or till they are half done. Then we are going to remove it from the oil and reserve it for later. Our vegetables are done. Strain it with the help of a strainer. In the same oil, add half teaspoon of cumin seed. Let it crackle. Add 3 to 4 green chillies, half teaspoon of kasoori methi. Saute it for few seconds. Now add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute it till the rawness goes off completely. Now add 1 cup of onion paste. We are going to saute our onions till the color is slightly changed. Our onions are done. Now add quarter teaspoon of red chilli flakes, half teaspoon of cumin seed powder, 1 teaspoon coriander seed powder, quarter teaspoon black pepper powder, quarter teaspoon turmeric powder. We are going to saute our spices till they are roasted nicely. Our spices are roasted nicely. Now add 1 cup of tomato puree. Mix it and cook it till our tomatoes are done. We are going to cook our tomatoes till the excess moisture is evaporated. The moisture is evaporated. Now add 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of garam masala powder, Mix it and cook it for 2 to 3 seconds. Then we are going to add our fried vegetables. Add the fried vegetables and we are going to cook it till our vegetables absorb the spices nicely and they are soft and tender. Add half cup of water and cook it on low flame till our vegetables are done. Add 1 cup of capsicum, 1 cup of sweet corns. Mix it and cook it till our capsicum are crisp. We don't have to overcook the capsicums. Our vegetables are done. Now add finely chopped fresh coriander leaves. Mix it and transfer it to a serving dish. Our mixed vegetable is ready. If you find the recipe easy, then please give it a thumbs up.